All right, guys, welcome to my little binary counter right here. I got it set up with Arduino, and basically, I got the code, everything already posted and stuff like that, but just to explain kind of what's going on here. So if we look right here, we have our ground connected to our 220 ohms resistors over here, and then we got the power coming from each port right here going into the positive side of our LED lights, and the ohms are connected to the negative side of the LED lights. And if you look right here, you can see like 7, 8, 9, 10. That is, if you were to look at the code, we were able to see, uh, where we get our values for, or where the values go for our LED input. So in this first part, we are going to just check to see if the lights are on. I already ran the code, so the lights are on. So I'm going to change the second part of the loop to low. And when I run it through, it is going to turn off the lights. And then I'll edit it back to high. And run it again. And the lights come back on. So that's a good sign. It's a good start. Just make sure everything's working properly the way it should. And we'll go on to our next part, which is our num display. And in this part of the code, we just kind of do the same thing, but this time we're going to enter a binary value that we want. So I'm going to start with our simple value 2. I'm going to run it through here. And we're going to see what we get. Oops. Forgot to select the board. And there we go. All right, sweet. Now we got our 2 value in. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is our least significant bit. This is our most significant bit. And that is the value of 2 right there. And as I go along and make edits, I can do like 5. There we go, ran through. All right, so we got 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 5. And I'll do, let's see, we can do, let's do 11. Oops. Oops. Run that through. Now we got 1 plus 3 plus 8, which is 11. So we know that the binary counter is working, and we can display our binary codes, which is great. So, or our binary numbers, sorry, is what I meant to say. So now we can move on to the last part, which is our binary counter. And this line of code, all it's going to do is just count from 0 to 15 in binary, and then just go in a loop after that. So let's run this code. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then back to 0, and then it goes through the loop again. So that is how we get our, so this is the binary counter that we have. And an interesting thing with Arduino is that you can display how fast each delay is between each light number. So right now I have it at a delay of 1.2 seconds, so we can speed it up. Let's speed it up a half a second and see what we get. We'll probably count it a little bit faster. Let's run it, reset, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 0. So we got that. We can do it even faster if you really want to. Do 250, see what happens. Oops. Resets, and now it's going super fast. So that's one cool thing about Arduino, is that you can control how fast each delay is, and you can speed up the process or slow it down if you really wanted to. But yeah, so that is what I got for my counter right here. Thanks, guys.